In Salpaus Further Education, our students get good expertise in their studies. Good expertise is the base of create and make innovations. Problem-based learning and also learning by solving real problems are good ways to develop our students' ability to make innovations. One way to promote students' problem-solving abilities is especially Junior Achievement Young Enterprise program, where students set up their own business for 1 year in their own money. They also decide by themselves what kind of product or service they produce. This way of learning by doing and solving problems gives students a better ability to make innovations.
Mä tarvin tätä en vastaavaa, et Lahdessa kasvaa saan vuodesta toisen, vaikka välillä olisikin raskasta. Lahden kadut karisti Elsi Tuisko, Kispi Sippi Puisto, kerta mikki muistot nää. Radiomastojen alla kaupunki kasvatti, Vesku Iltavalon stadion ja asfaltti. Kotikaupunkien vaihtas kahteen, vaik saisin kilon kulta, musteen pois sais lahtelaist. Siis kai hymy huulest biisin sylkesit, kun kasvo Päijät-Häme sit on vieläkin ylpeni.
My name is Tapio Anttila. I'm interior architect and designer, and I live here in Lahti, and also I have a design studio here, and I work as a freelancer designer. I moved here from Helsinki 13 years ago, and I started to work in that time as an in-house designer in big furniture manufacturer. But about 5 or 6 years ago I decided to start my own business, and I start this design studio here. And I didn't find any good reason why I moved back to Helsinki again, because this is a quite good place for work in this field of design, because there is a lot of different cabinet makers, prototype makers, metal workers, photographers and so on, and I have a really good network of different kind of people here, and it's quite easy here. And my customers are not in Helsinki, actually they are quite near here, because this is a big furniture area in Finland, so that's the main reason.
Kuumat mun kulmat on kunnos, kun pyörin ympäriinsä Lahes voimieni tunnos. Kiireen keskellä puistos rauhoittumas. Mä palan kotiin, kun mulla vihdoinkin tauko luvas. Lähellä kaikkea mitä tarviin, betoniviidakos lehtoihin ja lampiin. Vauhti iltasin, vaihtoehton ottaa easy. Lahesta biisi, meno yksinomaan siistii. Tapahtumia ison maailman meiningillä. Urheilu ja musa asentel Beisidin. Täältä kasvettiin, pienen pojan nostalgia. Nurmen tuoksun kesäpäiviä, kun ne kolahtikaan. Mä istun puiston penkillä.
Lahti Travel is a regional travel agency. It's not just a tourism information, but it's an agency, which means that we are selling regional travel services, for example, accommodation, restaurants, activities, registration, services, all that. Lahti is a city with an excellent location. It sounds a bit boring, you know, but it's so true. It's very easy to come here by car, by bus, by train, and Helsinki-Vantaa International Airport is only about 1 hour's drive from here. And when you arrive to Lahti, it's easy to go around just by walking. You can park your car and then just walk from one place to another, so everything is very close. And for example, our sports center, which is kind of world famous, it's so centrally located that you can just walk there in 10 minutes, and that's very rare actually. And during the Lahti ski games, it's kind of amazing to see like 20 or 30,000 people walking after the Saturday evening ski games to the city. It's kind of amazing, so many people are just moving around there at the same time. Sports events and winter have been the base for the travel and tourism in Lahti since the kind of 1930s already. And Lahti Ski Games, for example, have been arranged since the year 1923. But for the last 10-15 years, the culture has become one of the main interests in tourism. Mainly, of course, because we have here Sibelius Hall, which is world famous orchestra hall, and also a place for congresses and meetings.
How to be creative and innovative in Lahti travel?
We talk a lot. We are not afraid to say what we think and what kind of ideas we have. We know each other's rather well and trust to each other. All ideas, as crazy they may sound, are appreciated. And we are very equal. The idea may come from our managing director or one of our apprentices. It doesn't matter. We can use them all if we like. Best ideas are born unexpectedly. In travel and tourism marketing, pretty much everything has been done, that's the truth. But what you can do is to do things differently. Same thing can be done in different way and style. When we published our new web pages together with lahdenseutu.net, we didn't do it only in the internet, we used radio in Helsinki region. We asked a local rap artist to make us a rap song telling about Lahti and telling it in the way that it could really be done in a rap song. And it worked. The campaign doubled, almost tripled the number of visitors on our web pages. And the spontaneous feedback we got from the song was more than excellent. The song really touched people. We are going to do the radio campaign again next year, but maybe have a little another approach to the idea this time.
Raikasta ilmaa mun keuhko täyteen hengittää. Ihmisi torilla ja jengi aamulenkillä. Näin kasvoin keskel kumpujen. Rannalla suuren järven suurten mastojen. Näin mä näen täältä päin katsoen. Rannalla suurten järvien. Mun sydän sykkii näin kaupungin kattojen. Ylitse nousen taas uudestaan. Pojasta mieheks mun kotikadu täälteiin. Talvisin tuulee mut hengestä sen saa lämpöön niin mun mielessä aina. Missä vaan mä vaihdan kaistaa nelostiellä mua kotiin ohjaa tähdet taivaan. Pojasta mieheks mun kotikadu täälteiin. Talvisin tuulee mut hengestä sen saa lämpöön niin mun mielessä aina. Missä vaan mä vaihdan paikka nelostiellä mua kotiin ohjaa tähdet taivaan. Näin kasvoin keskel kumpujen. Rannalla suuren järven suurten mastojen. Näin mä näen täältä päin katsoen. Rannalla suurten järvien. Mun sydän sykkii näin kaupungin kattojen. Ylitse nousen taas uudestaan.